Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to TurboTax account step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection. In the address bar, type TurboTax, intuit.com and press enter to go to the official TurboTax website. Check the top right area of the page and look for the sign in button. Click sign in to open the login options. If you see multiple products, choose TurboTax to continue to the correct sign-in page. On the sign-in screen, click the field for email, user ID, or phone and enter the one linked to your account. Click the password field and type your TurboTax password carefully, watching for uppercase and lowercase letters. If there is a show password option, use it to confirm you typed the password correctly. If your browser asks to save the password, choose your preferred option, but only on a private device. Click the Sign In button to log in. If you are asked for a verification code, choose how you want to receive it by text, email, or an authenticator app. Open your text messages or email and find the TurboTax verification code. Return to the TurboTax page and enter the code exactly as it appears. Click Continue or Verify to finish the security step. If you are redirected to your Intuit account page, confirm you see your name or account profile at the top. If you do not remember your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email, user ID, or phone again to start the password reset process. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity using a code sent to your email or phone. Create a new strong password and save it somewhere secure. Go back to the sign-in page and log in using your updated password. If you do not remember which email you used, try searching your inbox for past TurboTax or Intuit emails. Make sure you are not using a VPN or ad blocker that might interfere with the login page loading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser tab or try another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If you are using the TurboTax mobile app, open the app and tap Sign In instead of using the website. Type your login details in the app and complete any verification steps the same way. After logging in, choose Continue your return to access your tax files and progress. If you see an account error, click Help or contact us to reach TurboTax support for assistance. Always sign out when finished, especially on shared or public devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.